Have you ever heard of the saying that a bad workman quarrels with his tools? So as good as having useful tools are, if you do not use them or don't know how to use them, you do not get the best out of them. So as important as it is to have great tools, it's also important to use those tools. Hello, my name is Halima. Welcome back to my channel. As always, I'm excited to have you here with me. And you remember last week, I taught you how to build a career map. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use your career map efficiently. So it's not about just having that career map, but it's also about ensuring that you use it well and that it serves the purpose for which it was meant. Now, a career map can be very helpful. It is a very helpful tool for planning and also tracking your progress as you develop your profession. So here are a few ways that you can use your career map efficiently. Number one, use it to set your goals. Use it to set your goals. So on this issue of goals again, your career map can help you identify the skills and the experiences you need to acquire in order to reach your career goals. Because it's clear, remember, it has your past experience, it tells you where you are, it tells you the future. And so it helps you set smart goals that are specific, measurable, they're achievable, they're time-bound, and they're just good to go. Next, use it to track your progress. So as you work towards your goal, use your career map to track your progress. This can help you see how far you have come and how far you need to still go. Then number three, use it to identify opportunities. So your career map can help you identify opportunities for growth and development within your current role, within your organization, or even elsewhere. Because you know where you are, the jobs that are out there, and you know where you fit. Number four, use it to communicate your plans. You could even share your career map with your supervisor, with your manager, so that you can get feedback from them, you can get their support, they can help you help you when tracking where you are, what you need to do to get better. So communicate your goals and plans to potential employers also during job interviews. That's fantastic to have, It makes you arrive at that interview prepared. Number six, use it to stay motivated. It can be easy to get discouraged sometimes in our career work. So use your career map to stay motivated by reminding yourself continuously of the progress that you have made, that you're not where you used to be. You've made progress, and the positive impact that your job is having. So I hope I've been able to help you, see how you can efficiently use your career map. I want to hear from you. I want to hear how it's been on this journey of building a career map and then using it efficiently. Like I always say, this is not a monologue, it's a dialogue. I'd love to hear from you. Leave your comments in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button, and you could also hit that bell so you get all the notifications for new videos. Thank you for being with me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.